Chef Grace. Welcome back to Chef Grace and her mom. My mom just strained. Whoa! My mom just strained all. My mom just strained the pasta, and now we will be adding it to the mix of olive oil, garlic, lemon juice, light white wine, and chicken stock.
Alright, so now stir it all together.
Can you stir that before?
Yeah.
Alright,
So what I'm doing,
she's stirring the broccoli, the pasta, and the mix of all that yummy stuff together.
and we don't have to really cook the broccoli because it's already been cooked.
So you would turn it off. Ooh, hot. You would turn it off, and
Maybe next time we'll wear short sleeves for this event.
yes, or maybe sunglasses.
Now, we're going to put this in a nice pasta bowl, but what else would you recommend eating this with? What would you add to it to make additional flavors afterwards?
Yeah, what? Some basil.
Maybe like crushed red pepper and cheese?
Yes. That would make it, the crushed red pepper would make it spicy, and the cheese would just make it taste a little cheesy. So here's our little big pasta bowl. Grandpa, we're gonna need you some these. We're gonna need to finish this. We're just, Mom, do you think we're done?
Yep, I'm just getting this pasta bowl ready.
And we'll probably finish then.
This was a very special pasta bowl that your dad and I got on our honeymoon in Italy.
And look at the pot.
Wow.
It has all these different kinds of fruit and maybe leaves all over it.
Okay.
So,
So we'll pour this in.
and that would be it, really.
Watch out, Grace.
Here comes all that yummy pasta going into one big bowl. Alright, so
You gotta make sure.
here is our masterpiece. So thank you for watching, and have a good night or day. Thank you for watching Chef Grace and her mom, and
Stay
we're
tuned for
out.
another episode.